Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how we can curve or bend text in Figma. So let us get started. Head over to design on Figma and let me go with that example text here and zoom in a bit. So guys, in the first step, add your text, select your text box. Let me go with that one here. And after that, you will need to access a text bending plugin or curving plugin because Figma actually doesn't feature any built-in text bending or curving tool in their portfolio or in that customization panel here. So to access these plugins, guys, access your main menu by clicking into that Figma icon in top left and select plugins here. And after that, you will see all installed plugins here to the right. So as you can see, I've already used several text bending or curving tools. If you'd like to add these to your library of plugins, simply click into Manage Plugins and use the search bar here and go for one of these, for example, by searching or using the search bar, type in bend or curve or something like that and go through that list of supported text bending or text curving plugins. So let me do that really quickly. In some cases, you might get asked, for example, to install the given plugin with one click of your mouse. And once installed, the given text bending tool will be accessible here or in your list of installed plugins in there. So let me go with that one for demonstration purposes. Left click into it. Sorry, again, plugins. And after that, select it. And after that, you will be redirected to that window here with the given text bending tool. So guys, you will see the preview below. There you go. Follow these instructions. Select the text to transform. So let me select this one here. And you may double click into it just like that to highlight it. And that is going to add it to your panel here to the right. So what you want to do is simply use that slider here below to adjust the curving effect or intensity. So let me go with a slightly curved text like this of 25%, somewhere around. You may also reset if you like, or simply apply the given curving effect by clicking on apply. And that is going to add the effect to your text, as you can see. Now, if you don't like the results, simply click on reset and play around with your effect here. For example, let me go with a slight curving effect, or let me go the opposite way, for example, to show you that. Click on apply, and that is going to, that one looks pretty nice. So that's basically it, guys. Now in the final step, what you may do also, let me just close that text bending tool here. You may also group your letters here. As you can see in the list of layers to the left, it might happen that your curved text will be divided into letters. So simply right click into your text and select group selection. And that's basically it. Now you can move your text in one take, as you can see, as one element. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you bend or curve text on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.